Introducing the all-new 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S AMB 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and DSG transmission. This sleek black estate or Jeep is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, perfect for those who crave power and efficiency. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features such as air conditioning, cruise control and voice control, the Kodiaq ensures a luxurious driving experience. Safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking provide peace of mind on the road. The interior boasts cup holders, third-row seating, and a luxury trim for a touch of sophistication. Styling features like privacy glass, roof rails, and a spoiler give the Kodiaq a sporty edge. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us today or visit our website at spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.